Hey guys, just a quick video today about a nuisance that I ran across with an Android phone. Many of you might have had this in the past. Basically, when you go to try to turn it on, it doesn't come on, or it comes on for a split second and then goes right back off. I've already swapped out the battery. That didn't do it. Come to find out, all it was a stuck power switch. So all you need to do, it's pretty simple. You might have to do it a few times, but you just take your phone, put it onto a hard surface, such as a countertop, something that has an angle on it, push it on here, and just press your phone up and down rapidly until you're actually able to get the phone to come on consistently. So these buttons on the Android phones just have a tendency to get stuck. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Appreciate your time.